What's going on YouTube? So today in this video I'm going to be installing a new Corksport Midpipe. This effectively will make my exhaust a catback. It'll be Corksport. So it'll be a Corksport Midpipe with a Borla axleback exhaust, which is kind of cool. This thing has a unique sound and we'll see what it sounds like right now. The install is pretty basic. What you're going to need is a Corksport Midpipe. You can get that either from Corksports. I got mine used from another person that was parting out their car. Next, you're gonna need a ratchet set, some anti-seize lubricant, 4 jack stands, and a breaker bar for the hard to get to bolts. You're gonna need 2 OEM gaskets, one for the front of the midpipe and one for the rear of the midpipe. Also, you're gonna need the corkboard gasket that comes with it. Basically connects the 2 pipes together for your midpipe. I can't use these because the car's too low. Can't get up on the ramp. So we're gonna go get 2 more jack stands and then go from there. Of course, you have to rev the car when the midpipe's off, so. And here's what a real car should sound like. One day. Here's what it sounds like before. And here's what it sounds like after. I'm going to show you what that sounds like inside the car. This is what it sounds like at cold start. The neighbor's not going to like that too much. So you see, as we get like lower into the RPMs, it sounds pretty quiet and pretty normal. If you guys like that video, I forgot to film an outro again, so here's that outro. For the next video, I kind of want to do some shout out. So if you can head over to my Instagram, I'll link that down below. I want to hear what your guys' exhausts sound like. So head to my Instagram, DM me some of your exhaust sounds, and in the next video, I'll do some shout outs. It'll be kind of cool. If you like this video, smash that like button. If you want to see more videos like it, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So this is pretty funny. So we're in a parking garage, and the exhaust is kind of boomy, so this is what I'm talking about.